Acute lymphoblastic leukemia, or ALL, is the most common form of childhood cancer. With a donation from the GP Made Foundation created by former MU football coach Gary Pinkel, MU Healthcare's Children's Hospital is giving kids new hope with a new way to fight. Meg Judy has more in Focus on Your Health.
Focus on Your Health is sponsored by MU Healthcare.
Michaela Crockett was 8 years old when she was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. The cancer attacked her bone marrow and meant she wasn't creating healthy red blood cells, leaving her exhausted, achy, and feverish.
When I was first admitted into the hospital, Dad said that your body is sick, like your blood is very sick, and so that's why you're going to be in the hospital.
She came to the children's ER after fainting twice in 24 hours, where doctors, including Dr. Tyler Severance, helped Michaela and her family understand what was going on.
They were awesome with answering just the minute little questions that we had, that we bombarded with them, trying to understand every little aspect so that we can get an idea ourselves of what do we need to tell Michaela.
When we first met her in the emergency room, we were able to get her admitted and diagnosed and ultimately started on treatment very quickly.
Michaela started chemotherapy, and although the treatments destroyed the cancer cells in her blood, her bone marrow still showed signs of sickness.
We needed to look at other options because her leukemia proved to be a little more resilient or refractory than the typical standard leukemia.
Michaela was a candidate for a new treatment for her resilient leukemia. The medication is delivered using special portable pumps over 28 days. Gary Pinkel knows fighting cancer takes a team. His GP Made Foundation heard about the need for these pumps and bought them so MU Healthcare patients could receive the drug. Michaela was the first.
He told us about it in detail, and we just made a decision, let's go that route. I'm glad we did, because it was really interesting to see the influence he had and to be able to help all these kids in this way.
GP Made, or Making a Difference Every Day, donates money to fund pediatric cancer research.
This was such a natural combination of the various pillars of the GP Made Foundation and their goal, their mission, and they were just immediately there to help.
With the pump, Michaela could receive most of treatment outside the hospital. Her leukemia cell count dropped dramatically after 3 rounds of treatment. She's back to living like most other kids her age, though her parents say her personality never changed.
I joke with the nursing staff that she's stronger than any one of us, and I still believe that. She's the one that's positive. She's keeping us lifted up because of her resilient strength and just sunny disposition, her nonstop chattering.
I can't help it. I get it from you.
To learn more about MU Healthcare's pediatric cancer services, visit muhealthcare.org/pediatric cancer. For Focus on Your Health, I'm Meg Judy.
Focus on Your Health has been sponsored by MU Healthcare.